Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing segment number 5, Topic Sentences. Here's what you need to know. The topic sentence is the first sentence or few sentences of your body paragraphs. They are created from the reasons of your thesis statement. Remember, I told you everything in your essay would be revolving around your thesis statement? It was true. Your entire paragraph will be about that topic sentence. Therefore, everything in it will support that reason. All of your evidence and your discussion will support that topic sentence. Even though topic sentences are derived from your thesis statement, they should be worded in a fresh new way. You wouldn't ever want them to sound too much like your thesis statement. And number 5, you can use the same method that you did when you created your hook. You can take the big idea of your reason and use that to create a really interesting, compelling topic sentence. Think of your topic sentence as the hook of that paragraph. So it's like each paragraph has its own hook. People will either read your topic sentence and want to read more, or they won't. Topic sentence is part of your body paragraph. And in the next video, we'll discuss evidence and transitions and then elaborating or discussing that evidence. But for this video, we're just going to look at topic sentences. So make sure to watch this cool video on topic sentences. And then I'm going to repeat some of the things I already said. Even though your topic sentence is drawn from your thesis statement, you should thoroughly reword it. Here's a tip. Use a thesaurus to find synonyms for your keywords. This will help you reword it. It will keep it from being boring and sounding too much like your thesis. Another thing is that each of your topic sentences should start off differently from other topic sentences. It is really common for students to begin all their topic sentences exactly the same way, and that makes your essay sound boring and redundant and repetitive. Nobody will want to read that. Your entire paragraph will strive to support and discuss and prove that topic sentence. That's why it was drawn from your thesis statement. Are you starting to make this connection that I'm building here with you, that everything revolves around your thesis statement? Your essay's job is to prove that thesis statement. And by centering everything around it, we are creating a very tightly centered essay that will flow perfectly and make sense and won't lose your reader because you've gotten off topic here and there. You're keeping it all together. Okay. Here are some examples. This is a breakdown of what it looks like to take your reasons from your thesis statement and create topic sentences. Here's our thesis statement. Cats make better pets than dogs because they can take care of themselves and they use a litter box. Now, granted, this is a very simple thesis statement and yours is probably a lot more sophisticated, but for the ease of learning, we're just going to go simple. So what are the 2 reasons? Color coordinated here. Reason number 1, they take care of themselves. Reason number 2 that they're better, they use a litter box. So watch this magic. Taking these reasons, we can build topic sentences right from them, okay? So thinking of the big idea of topic sentence reason number 1, they take care of themselves. What's the big idea? The big idea is that they're self-sufficient. Okay, and we want to tie it into it being a benefit to cat owners. So a very good thesis statement would say self-sufficiency is a serious benefit to owning a cat. And then that's the topic sentence. The whole rest of that paragraph would be about proving how beneficial it is that cats can use a litter box, or that they are self-sufficient. So for body paragraph number 2, we want to center this around using a litter box. Creating a topic sentence just like a hook requires a lot of imagination because you have to make connections in your brain. It's not like just looking up information and writing it down. You gotta come up with some stuff. Like, for instance, if you own a cat, waking up in the middle of the night to let it use the bathroom will never be an issue since cats can use a litter box. See what I did there? I made this connection to the reader. Why is it beneficial to use a litter box? I had to think, why is that beneficial? Well, you never have to wake up in the middle of the night. There's one thing. So see how that's pretty easy to do. And when you use your thesis statement to guide the rest of your paper, you don't have to guess. You don't have to sit there wondering what to write next. It gives you a direction. It's like having a word map. A map. It's really nice. So as you're working through your slides, here's space for you to create your topic sentences. You can just paste your thesis statement that you already created here. And then you should draw out the reasons and type them here just so you can have a nice visual. You can see all of your reasons lined out. If your teacher is asking you to write a two-pronged thesis statement, you'll only need to fill in these two boxes. And then you'll do what I did. Take these reasons and make a bigger connection to them and create a thesis statement, a topic sentence. I get these two words mixed up a lot. Based off of your reason. So this would be reason number 1, topic sentence number 1. Reason number 2, topic sentence number 2. Reason number 3, topic sentence number 3. By creating your topic sentences first, you are making sure that they don't all sound alike. Okay? So keep watching or keep working, and I will see you in the next video where we will discuss adding your evidence and elaboration to your paragraph. Teachers, follow me on Teachers Pay Teachers for freebie alerts and 50% off new products. And also find me on Facebook where we discuss all things digital learning. See you soon.